Hello, my name is Anita Case and I'm the Executive Director of Catawba Care. We are the HIV and AIDS service organization located here in Rock Hill, but we serve York, Chester, and Lancaster counties. We provide medical care and supportive services for people who are living with HIV, as well as free HIV testing and prevention education for the community at large. We opened our doors in 2000 and served just over 100 patients. Now we have more than 500 patients who are living with HIV. We ensure that they get access to life-saving medical care and medications, as well as counseling and case management services and financial assistance for those who are struggling to maintain their housing or put food on their table. We also assist with transportation because many of the clients that we see struggle to make it to their medical appointments because they don't have their own car or way to get here. For our prevention program, our HIV testing is rapid testing. It takes about 20 minutes and it's confidential and it's free, and you don't have to have an appointment to get tested. Here at Catawba Care, we're located at 500 Lakeshore Parkway in Tech Park. And Monday through Thursday from 9 to 4 you can come in for a free HIV test. We can do a rapid test that includes a mouth swab or a finger prick test. And while the test is processing, our HIV testers talk with people about their risk and how to ensure that people can remain HIV negative. Then you receive your results within 20 minutes. We also provide prevention education throughout the community. We partner with faith communities and civic organizations and other nonprofit organizations to make sure that people know that HIV is still a risk in our community, that people are still being diagnosed with HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases, and that it is 100% preventable. So we try to make sure that people have access to free condoms and free testing and all the resources that they would need to make sure that they stay healthy and remain free of HIV. We depend so much on community volunteers. Without our volunteers, we would not be able to provide the transportation assistance that we do for our clients to get to their medical appointments. We also would not be able to be out in the community as much as we are. We utilize our volunteers to take our information out to community events and health fairs and to help us spread the word about HIV and the services that Catawba Care provides. We also are most grateful for our donors and our community supporters. We are a United Way funded agency supported by York County, Lancaster County, and Chester County United Ways, as well as the J. Marion Sims Foundation and the Chester Healthcare Foundation here locally. We are grateful to the individuals and the corporations that sponsor our annual Dazzle and Denim event, as well as those who just contribute throughout the year. We have many communities of faith who support us through donations as well as by supporting our pantry. And that is the service for our clients where they can receive free toiletries and cleaning supplies, because those are things not provided by food stamps. For those that are living on a very limited income, this makes a big difference for families. We also are fortunate that our church partners assist us during the holiday season to provide meals for our families who are impacted by HIV. So it's very important to us that we have community support because we believe that HIV is a very stigmatized illness, and we really want to help our community understand that it can impact any of us and it impacts all of us.